the N, the bigger N and the little N. I make it one more time. I think the second time we can make it more better. Here. Cut. Okay, let's make one more time. We make a Nancy, Nancy. We make a Nancy. Okay, so we are fold it here. It's like this, and we fold it back and tight. Okay, then we are going to fold it back here, and it's like here. Then tight it to back. Okay, here we make A. The next one we make the A. Hi, Southern Crabber. Hello, Lisa. Happy to see you. Okay, then we fold it back here. Tight here. We make the Nancy. N-A. N-A-N-C-Y. N-A-N. Fold it. Fold it to the back. Here need to fold one more time. And this end make it a little too big. Okay. C is make like this way. And we're going to fold it tight. See. Okay, the copper wire not enough long. Cut it too short. Okay, N-A-N-C. Here. It's here. Okay. N-A-N-C. It's like this. Hi, Rondia. Hello, Sabine. Happy to see you. Today we are learn the letter N. Letter N we just make. So here, I make one more time. You can, if you are interested, you can practice together with me. We are go practice together. I'm also new to learn the letters. Okay. I make one more the letter N here, fold it, and I make smaller this time. Here we make it smaller, fold it, and tie it. And fold it back. Here. So then fold it again to the back. Okay, then we fold it up. And tie it here. Let's fold it to the front. Tight it. And I'm learning making the letter A and the letter N. Here. It's the way that's to learn making the letters. Here, N, A. Change carries 2, so nothing is where I left it. Okay. Here. A, R. Okay. So here. N, A, N. Then we go make the N. We fold it. We fold it back. Tight here. Okay. Then fold it to the front. Here. Then tight it. Make the little N here. And make the little C here. N, A, N, C. C, we'll make it like this. Okay. Here we'll fold it and tight. So we'll make the letter C. Letter C, N, A, N, C. And Y. Y, we're going to fold it here. And we fold it down. Okay. Okay, so we make the NANCY. I'm also new to learn, so if you are interested, let's learn together to making the letters. Okay, something is going on with my phone too right now. Thank you. Okay, so it's NANC here. I hope the N I'm not make wrong here. N. It's N like this way. N, N, N. Okay. Okay. N not wrong, right? Okay, correct. I was thinking it's like this. N. Okay, so it's this way where I make N. It's N here. Okay. N. N way down. Okay. Thank you. So next, let's go to make the piece of the bracelet. The loop does go to the top. This loopers go to the top, top, then fold back, then top. Okay.